Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the sensor in Scrap Mechanic. First of all, we'll need to unlock it, and this can be done by bringing a trapped farmer to the hideout. Here you can see the sensor is going to require us to gather one trapped farmer, and we'll receive the sensor schematic. So, to do this, find a camp where you'll find this trapped farmer, and go ahead and pick him up with your vehicle, and now place him inside of this red square, just like this. What you need to do is go to this side, and here use the delivery button. This is going to suck him inside, and now just go to the hideout right here, and as you can see, we've gathered one farmer inside of here. So we can go ahead and trade for the sensor, and it is going to get unlocked. Now all you need to do is gather all of these materials, which is metal blocks, glass block, component kit, and 3 circuit boards. Once you've gathered all of them, just go ahead and craft it, and now you can use it however you want. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.